T-minus 1 minute, 59 seconds.
Vehicle internal.
155.
Launch sequencer start.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
While most nations struggle with both military and space capabilities, the US continues with its advancements beyond Earth's atmosphere, looking at space as the future domain of warfare. With recent formation of the United States Space Force, whose mission is to train and equip space forces in order to protect US and allied interests in space, the United Launch Alliance's Atlas V rocket carrying the X-37B Orbital Test Vehicle was launched on May 16 from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida. The launch will serve as a collaborative America Strong salute from the United States Space Force and ULA to all frontline workers and COVID-19 first responders while paying tribute to those affected by the pandemic. This national security space launch will be the second by ULA for the US Space Force, since it was established in December 2019. Also, this is going to be the sixth mission of the X-37B Orbital Test Vehicle, where in total, the number of days spent on orbit extends to 2,865 days, or 7 years and 10 months. The X-37B is an autonomous and reusable craft with advanced technology only the US currently operates.
Polling is complete and the ULA launch team and the Space Force's mission director are go for launch. From T-minus 4 minutes until launch, you will be listening to Dylan Rice and his team performing the final steps in the countdown procedure. You will hear the team call out that Atlas liquid oxygen topping has been secured, followed about a minute later by the call out for transferring the Atlas and Centaur stages from ground facility power to internal battery power. At T-minus 1 minute and 55 seconds, the team will command the launch sequencer to start, followed shortly by securing the Centaur liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen topping activity. At T-minus 1 minute and 40 seconds, the team will command the flight control system to launch enable and arm the flight termination system. In the final minute, Atlas tanks will be verified at flight pressures followed by verification of Centaur tank pressures. A final status check of Atlas, Centaur, and USSF 7 readiness is conducted at T-minus 25 seconds. At T-minus 3 seconds, the RD-180 engine will roar to life. After liftoff, you'll hear Rob Kesselman providing launch vehicle ascent data.
L-minus 4 minutes, 30 seconds.
SMD, transfer spacecraft to internal power. Roger. All steps complete. Prior terminal count.
This is Atlas Mission Control at T-minus 4 minutes and holding. We anticipate releasing the hold in just a few moments.
The time will be T-minus 4 minutes and counting. 3, 2, 1, mark. T-minus 3 minutes.
Securing LO2 topping.
Atlas tank flight pressure.
T-minus 2 minutes, 50 seconds.
Spacecraft on internal power.
Roger.
FCS internal.
T-minus 1 minute, 59 seconds.
Vehicle internal.
155.
Launch sequencer start.
150.
Securing Centaur LH2.
Securing Centaur LO2.
T minus 1 minute 40 seconds.
Launch enabled.
137.
FCS armed.
T minus 90 seconds. The launch vehicle, payload, ground systems, and eastern range are go for launch.
T minus 1 minute 20 seconds.
OCU's armed.
FCS count started.
115.
Reduce ECS for launch. Roger.
110.
Vent valves locked.
T minus 1 minute.
Rock, report range status.
Range green.
T minus 40 seconds.
Stable at step 3.
Seconds. 25.
ECS reduced for launch. Status check. Go Atlas.
Go Centaur.
Go Space Force 7.
T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's ignition. And liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket with USSF 7 for the United States Space Force on a mission dedicated to America Strong.
Good. RD-180 has gone to closed-loop propellant utilization control.
You are hearing the voice of Rob Kesselman providing
Vehicle
launch
has
vehicle
begun.
ascent data.
The pitch yaw roll program. Vehicle body rates look good. Now, 35 seconds into flight. Atlas is now just under 1 mile in altitude, traveling at 900 miles per hour. Engine pump speeds and injector pressures are in family for this thrust level. The vehicle has now completed the pitch yaw roll program. Now 70 seconds into flight. Atlas is now 4 miles in altitude, 0.4 miles downrange distance, traveling at 1,200 miles per hour. Vehicle has passed Mach 1. Vehicle is now passing through maximum dynamic pressure, max Q. RD-180 is now throttling down slightly as commanded. Pump speed response looks good. Now 115 seconds into flight, now 14 miles in altitude, 5.6 miles downrange distance, traveling at 2,000 miles per hour. Vehicle has now begun closed-loop steering. Vehicle is now half the weight it was at liftoff, burning propellant at a rate of more than 2,600 pounds per second. Approximately 2 minutes remaining in the Atlas booster phase of flight. Centaur reaction system is now pressurizing flight levels. Atlas is now throttling to maintain 2.5 G acceleration. Now 180 seconds into flight. Vehicle is 44 miles in altitude, 40 miles downrange distance, traveling at 4,500 miles per hour. approximately 1 minute to deco. Standing by for payload turn jettison. Indication of payload turn jettison. And since our forward load reactor has also jettisoned successfully, Atlas is now throttling up to a 4.6 G acceleration. Centaur has begun the boost phase kill down sequence. Atlas is now at 4.6 Gs and maintaining that acceleration.